is James Waigwa, the owner of Karembo Limited, a company that specializes in the production of non-woven bags. Well, what inspired me to start the company or to get the machine is the fact that I feel we need to solve some of the problems that we have as the youth or as a continent. So I felt that being part of the solution was the best idea. The bags business, we felt that it is one of the easy ventures that we can get into because they are used by the majority of the people around us and they conserve the environment as well. We started by looking around for ventures that we can get into, and of the 4 or 5 options that we had, I felt that the one I should start with was the one on making non-woven bags. We were able to invest around 3.5 million to purchase the machine, the logistics, and setting up this company. We started by first looking for the source of the machine, which was our greatest challenge, and we felt that we need to go to a place where we can acquire or have a wide selection of machines to choose from. So that is why we decided to visit China and look for different options of the machines that we can be able to afford for a start. The speed at which the machine produces the bags depends, 1, on the size, 2, on how hard or soft material is, and 3, it depends on the complexity of the shape that you want to have as the end product. On average per minute, the most common bags are the ones that we are producing currently. We are producing around 70 to 80 bags per minute, and for a start we have decided to do 8 hours a day. So by the end of the day, we believe we will have produced around 10,000 pieces. We believe our selling point is the quality of the material that we are using in our production. The other quality we believe we have in terms of pricing is that we have cut short the number of people between the production and the end consumer. So getting closer to our market, the Mount Kenya region, we believe the transport cost and the number of people involved in the chain has reduced greatly. The non-woven bags are recyclable, so the waste from the factory or the other bags that the customers may bring in back to our shop, we sort it out in terms of colors and in terms of qualities and take it back to the companies that make the material for recycling. Epic Business Tours was instrumental in letting us get to where we can source the machine. So Epic, I believe of the many players in that market of taking people to China or to other places to source for products or just to visit, is that they help the people they have taken there to source for specific products that they are looking for. They help them go to those specific areas other than just taking them there and leaving them alone to roam around, not sure of what and where to get whatever they want. With the help of Epic Business Tours, we were able to look for the shipping agents, the shipping lines, and a way of making payments to China, and that was so easy. With a good shipping agent, one can be able to have the machine taken from the factory that it is being produced all the way to the factory that it is intended to start the production. So I would tell the youth that you don't have to start by buying a machine as we already have. We started this journey right from the time the polythene papers were banned. We started by getting them from the shops around the town we are located. We later were able to get them from Nairobi, and we were finally able to get the machine to be able to do the production ourselves. So even having not been employed, you can, for example, start by buying a bill from us, for example, and we believe by the end of the day you will be able to pay your fare back home. You can be able to pay for rent, and maybe if you have a family, you can be able to take your children to school.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Dimeisha.
Yeah.